I am Samina Tariq and today I'm sharing a recipe for stuffed paratha. In this recipe we're using daikon radish or white radish, which is also called mooli. Now if you prepare the dough and then start preparing the mooli ingredients, you can make these parathas within 15-20 minutes. And I'll start the recipe with a list of ingredients. In the paratha ingredients, I have chapati dough, which I prepared earlier and left in the fridge. I have one white radish or daikon radish, some pomegranate powder, butter for cooking, roughly ground coriander, some ajwain seeds or carom seeds, red chili powder, dried chili flakes, some coriander and mint leaves, salt, and I'm going to show you how to prepare the filling. So we start by peeling the radish. Peeling, I'm just slicing off the crown. Just going to grate it. So we have roughly 2 cups of grated daikon radish or white radish here. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt and letting it rest for about 10 minutes. I need to give it a good mix, and after 10 minutes, as you can see, it's in a colander, and I'm going to squeeze out all the water which I can get rid of. So I'm just squeezing out as much moisture as possible. So I have a handful of fresh coriander and mint leaves which are being washed. I'm adding them, putting them in a blender bowl and adding rest of the ingredients. Half to 1 teaspoon of salt, about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of dry coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of pomegranate powder, pinch of carom seeds or ajwain seeds, a big or small pinch of red chili flakes, and just going to blitz it. So just going to combine all these ingredients and give it a good mix, and then the next stage is to taste and adjust the seasoning and spices to your own taste before we can use this filling for parathas. So we start by pinching little balls out of the dough and working on one at a time. We're going to roll them. It's entirely up to you how big you want your paratha to be. So this is going to be like medium-sized paratha because I have a medium-sized chapati griddle here. So you can roll and fill few at a time and keep them on a dusted surface, and then start making the next one. So I'm just scattering some filling, and then again it's entirely up to you how much filling you want inside your paratha. So adding a little butter. I'm going to seal the edges. Now You need to do this step with a gentle hand. If you try to push or roll it with a force, you're gonna end up losing all your filling. Once you see the edges are changing the color, you're ready to turn it. And we need to butter it from the both sides when it's cooking. You need to cook it for a few minutes each side. Both sides have to be cooked and turned nice golden brown. So this is our Mooli paratha, which I'm serving with plain yogurt, though it's really nice with the chutneys, with a cup of tea or on its own.